We're going to continue on with the next question. It says, what is estimating a difference? Estimating a difference, what is it? Estimating a difference is separately rounding up differences and subtracting their rounded estimates. Alright, so we're going to say difference and rounding. Alright, I think in our previous video we did estimating sums. The same concept, but instead of addition, we're going to do subtraction. Difference. That's kind of what difference means. It's the result of the subtrahend and the minuend. The difference. So we'll give you an example here. All right. We'll round up to the hundreds. All right. 320 minus 220. All right. Now we're going to round up 320. Take a look at the tens value. Tens value here, it's less than 5. So rule states if it's less than 5 or 4 less, it's going to get rounded down, right? This 3 gets dropped and everything, and the 2 changes and everything on the right of the 2 becomes 0. There we go. So now we do minus. And we take a look at this 2, tens place value here in 220. And it is 2, so 2 is less than 5, so same concept, we're just going to round down. Fairly easy. This 2 changes to a 0, the 2 gets dropped, and everything else on the right becomes a 0. Now we just do a subtraction. 300 minus 200 is 100, alright? Now 100 is going to be labeled as the estimated difference. Estimated difference. Alright, we're going to give you another example. I'll probably give you 2 more examples here so you can get like a good concrete understanding. If there's really no specifications, you want to round up to, I think, the leftist column. Alright, let's give you another example here. And we're going to take the same thing, estimating a difference here. Alright, 1,580 minus 721. Well, let's go ahead, let's evaluate this here. Let's take the first number, let's evaluate this 5. 5 is equal to 5 or greater. So this means we're going to round up and we're going to add 1 to the column on the left. So this 5 gets replaced with a 0, and this one here gets added 1 to it. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then everything on the right becomes a 0. So it gets rounded up to 2,000. Now let's take 721. In the tens column place we have the 2. 2 is less than 5, so we round down. We're simply just going to replace the 2 with a 0 and bring the 700 down. So we have 700. 2,000 minus 700 is 1,300, and this will be known as the estimated difference. Alright? Estimated difference. Yeah, estimated difference. Alright? There's some questions that they're going to have specifications like round to the nearest 10, round to the nearest ones, hundreds. Okay? And so right here in 721, if they say round to the nearest tenth, it would be 720. But we didn't give any specification, so we just rounded it up to 700. Alright, let's give you another example here. Somewhere in the thousands. Yeah, somewhere in the thousands here. What else? So this is the importance of learning our place values, okay? The importance of knowing small numbers in order to understand big numbers. And it just makes calculations simpler and easier, Alright, let's take this problem. 5,238 minus 2,851. Alright, let's begin here. We're going to round to the thousands, right? So we're going to take a look at the hundreds place, and we're going to see this 2. This 2 is less than 5, so we round down. The 2 becomes a 0, and everything on the right becomes a 0, leaving us with 5,000. Now we're going to evaluate the next hundreds place value, and you see this 8? Look, 8 is greater than 5, so we round up. We're going to add 1 to 2, making it a 3, and now and replace everything with a 0, leaving us with 3,000. 5,000 minus 3,000 equals 2,000, and this will be labeled as the estimated difference. Estimated difference. There you go. 2,000 is the estimated difference of 5,238 minus 2,851.